Low-maintenance living. This cozy condo located conveniently in the mature tree oasis that is Edgecliff. Nestled in between two pharmacy convenience stores, restaurants, coffee shops, and walking distance to the amazing El Gallito Taco Truck. Enter the gated community to park your car in the dedicated covered parking spot or directly in front of your unit. This ground-level access welcomes you to the open floor plan, fantastic for gathering with guest half-bath, walk-in pantry, solid counters, painted cabinets, stainless appliances, and no carpet. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer included. Oh, also water. Walk directly out the living room sliding glass door onto the covered patio with extended sitting area. The large tree and green space area gives the feeling of your own backyard without having to manage any of it. Upstairs enjoy two large ensuite bedrooms with private bathrooms. The primary bedroom offers double closets, access to the floored attic, abundance of space for extra storage, and its very own private balcony. When you aren't relaxing next to the fireplace in living room with easy access to your built-in bookcase, take a very short walk to enjoy the neighborhood pool, hot tub and clubhouse. If you are looking for a centrally convenient